Good morning students, welcome to WITS Connect. So today we are going to discuss the topic about diode clippers. So what is the meaning of clippers? What is the definition of clippers? So the circuit with which the waveform is shaped by removing some amount of the portion. Okay, either it is positive half cycle or negative half cycle of the input signal, and without distorting the remaining portion of the input signal is known as clippers. So what is the definition of clippers? So the circuit with which the waveform is shaped by removing a portion of the signal, either it is positive half cycle or input half cycle of the input signal, and without disturbing the remaining portion of the input signal is known as clippers. Okay na? So the clippers are also named it as voltage limiters, amplitude selectors or slicers. Okay na? So generally we can categorize 4 types of diode clippers. Positive clipper, so that means the positive half cycle of the input signal is going to be removed. Negative clipper, that means the negative half cycle of the input signal or input AC waveform is going to be removed. Biased clipper and combinational clipper. Okay, now these are the 4 categories of diode clippers, and we can use the diodes extensively in radars, digital computers, radios and television receivers. Okay, these are the applications of clippers. So coming to the positive clipper, so this is the series clipper diagram and this is the shunt clipper diagram. Again the clipper circuits are divided into 2 types: positive series clipper, positive shunt clipper. So this is the circuit diagram of the positive series clipper. Okay, now here the diode is connected in series with the load resistor R. Here the diode is connected in shunt with the resistor R. Okay na? So that's why we named it as series clipper and shunt clipper, and these are the input and output waveforms. This is the input waveform and this is the output waveform of the series clipper. So like this is also input and output waveforms of the shunt clipper. So coming to the series clipper, when we are giving the positive half cycle at the input of the diode, we are giving the positive half cycle to the series clipper, what will happen? So here the terminal becomes positive, here it becomes negative here. So the terminal positive means here the diode is said to be reverse biased. Reverse biased means whatever you are applying the input signal positive half cycle, it will not goes to the output, it will not goes to the output voltage. So that means the positive half cycle is going to be removed here. Okay na? So during negative half cycle of the input AC signal, what will happen? It becomes negative and becomes positive. So the diode, negative terminal of the battery is connected to the diode negative terminal means here the diode is said to be forward biased. In forward bias, the diode acts as a closed switch. Okay na, closed switch means the current flows through the diode. Okay na, so current flows through the diode means here the current flows through the resistor, and across the resistor we are taking the output voltage. So you will get the output voltage like this. The negative, whatever you are giving the negative half cycle, it will appear at the output. Okay na. So coming to the shunt clipper. Okay na, positive shunt clipper. During the positive half, here we are giving the square wave input. During the positive half cycle of the square wave input, what will happen? It will becomes positive, it will becomes negative. So here the diode is said to be forward biased. In forward biased, if the diode is said to be forward biased means it acts as a closed switch. So then there is a flow of the current through the diode D. Okay na. So then what will happen? Whatever the positive half cycle you are giving, it is going to the ground. Ground ke vellipotundi kabatti you will not getting any output voltage here. You are not getting any positive signal. When you are giving negative half cycle, it will becomes negative and becomes positive means, so in this mode the diode is said to be reverse bias. So the reverse bias means the diode acts as an open switch. Open switch means there is no flow of current. So then whatever you are giving the negative half cycle, it will appear at the output voltage like this. So this is the operation of positive series clipper and positive shunt clipper. So coming to the negative clipper, here the diode is connected in reverse connection, that is nothing but opposite of the positive clipper. Okay na. So in positive clipper it is connected negative and cathode terminal here. Here it is connected cathode terminal here. Okay na. It is opposite of the positive clipper. So these are the two diagrams. This is the series negative clipper and this is shunt negative clipper, and this is the input and output waveforms of the negative clipper. Okay na. So coming to the operation, in series clipper, when we are giving positive half cycle, of the input AC signal, what will happen? It will becomes positive and it becomes negative. So then the diode is said to be forward biased. So the diode is said to be forward biased means it acts as a closed switch. So the diode will conduct the flow of current through the resistor R and you will get the output voltage, and whatever you are giving the positive half cycle, it will get here. Okay. During the negative half cycle, it will becomes negative and becomes positive means what will happen here? The diode is in reverse bias condition. Okay na, the diode is in reverse bias condition means it acts as an open switch. So then there is no flow of current means there is no output appears here. Okay na, there is no, so when you are giving negative half cycle, there is no output. Okay na. So this is the operation of series clipper. Coming to the shunt clipper, here the diode is connected in shunt with the resistor R. So during the positive half cycle, what will happen? It will becomes positive, it will becomes negative. So what will happen here? Positive terminal of the battery is connected to the cathode of the diode means the diode is said to be in reverse biased mode. So in reverse biased mode, the diode acts as an open switch. Then there is no flow of current. That means whatever you are applying the positive signal, it will becomes at the output voltage V0. During the negative half cycle, what will becomes? It will becomes negative, it becomes positive. Okay, now this is the input signal we are giving here during the negative half cycle. So what will happen here? So then the diode is acts as a forward biased mode. Okay, now in forward biased mode, the diode acts as a closed switch. So then there is a flow of current through the diode R. During negative half cycle, what will happen? It will becomes negative and becomes positive. So that means the diode is said to be in forward biased mode. So whatever you are applying the forward biased mode, the diode acts as a closed switch. So then there is a flow of current through this diode. Okay, now then what will happen? Whatever you are giving the negative half cycle, it will go through the ground. So that means you are not getting any output here. So this is the operation of, it appears looks like half wave rectifier. Okay na, during positive half cycle only there is a flow of current, during negative half cycle there is flow. It is same as half wave rectifier operation. Okay, the next one is biased clipper. Okay na, so actually in some applications we are going to remove either positive or negative half cycle of the inputs AC signal. So in that applications we have to use the biased clippers. So what is the meaning of bias here? Here in biased clippers, the adjustment of the waveform, the adjustment of the clipping level is adjusted by applying the bias in series with the resistor or either with the diode. So that's why it is named it as biased clipper. So coming to the biased positive clipper, this is the circuit diagram for series biased positive clipper, and it is the circuit diagram for shunt biased positive clipper, shunt biased positive clipper, and this is the input waveform and this is the output waveform. ikkadi varaku ostadi. Okay na, it is the input waveform and this is the output waveform. Okay na. So coming to the series biased positive clipper, what will happen? Series biased positive clipper, so this is the input signal we are giving at the input. So here what will happen? When the input signal Vi is greater than reference voltage, at that condition the diode does not conduct. The diode will does not conduct. So it will be going to conduct up to reference voltage Vr only. Okay na. So what will happen here? When the input voltage is greater than Vr, suppose for example it is 2 volts, it is 1 volt. That means input voltage is very greater with respect to the bias voltage. At this condition the diode does not conduct. The diode does not conduct means, so it will get up to reference voltage. This is the reference voltage, it is about 1 volt. Okay na, but applied input voltage it is 2 volts. Okay na, up to Vr only the diode is going to be conduct. So when the applied input voltage is less than bias voltage, the diode is going to be conducts. Okay na, the diode is going to be conducts, and it is used to remove some amount of the positive half cycle of the, it is going to remove some amount of the positive half cycle of the signal. So it is going to be clipped off here. It is going to be clipped off, and the negative half cycle also comes at the output. Okay na. So up to reference voltage the diode is going to be conducts. When the input voltage is less than Vr, the diode is going to be conducts. So up to Vr, after that it is going to be remove the positive half cycle up to Vr, and the negative half cycle is also going to be appeared at the output. So this is about the series clipper. Okay, series biased positive clipper. Coming to the biased shunt positive clipper, here we are connecting the reference voltage here, it is series with the diode. Okay na. So this is the input and output waveforms of the shunt diode positive clipper. So when we are giving this input signal to the resistor R, what will happen? When the input voltage is less than reference voltage, the diode is going to be conducts up to Vr. The diode is going to be conducts up to Vr. Okay na. So here the output will comes at the voltage reference voltage Vr. Okay na, the output is at the reference up to the reference voltage Vr. So when the input voltage is less than Vr, the diode does not going to be conducts. The diode does not going to be conducts. So the output will clipped off like this. So the positive half cycle is going to be clipped off, and the negative half cycle is also going to be appeared at the output when the input voltage is less than Vr. Okay na. At that condition, after Vr the diode does not conduct. That means the positive half cycle is going to be clipped off. You will get the output like this. This is the output waveform and this is the input waveform. Okay na. So like this. So the clipping levels will be either positive side or negative side. So the positive half cycle will be clipped or negative half cycle also clipped by depending on the Vr, depending on the bias we are applying. Okay na. So if you are applying here negative means negative half cycle is going to be clipped off. Okay, like that we can change the polarities of the bias. We can we can remove the negative half cycle of the output signal. Okay na. So this is about the biased positive clipper. So coming to the next one, biased negative clipper. So this is the series biased negative clipper circuit diagram, and this is the shunt clipper biased negative clipper. Okay na, shunt biased negative clipper, and this is the input waveform and this is the output waveform. Okay na. So coming to here, in series biased negative clipper, when we are giving the input signal at the diode D, what will happen? When the input voltage is less than or equal to minus Vr, here the polarity is reversed. Here the polarity is reversed compared to the biased positive clipper. Here the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the resistor R in series with the resistor R. Here the negative terminal of the battery is connected in series with the diode. Okay, that's why we named it as negative clipper. Okay, now negative terminal of the biasing circuit is connected to either series to the resistor or diode. That's why we named it as biased negative clippers. Okay, so when we are giving input signal to the series clipper, what will happen? When the input voltage is less than or equal to minus VR, it is nothing but minus VR, what will happen? The diode does not conduct. The diode does not conduct. So up to here the signal is going to be clipped off. Up to here, up to minus VR, the signal is going to be clipped off. The signal is going to be removed. Okay na? So coming to the shunt clipper, what will happen? When the input voltage, this is the input voltage, it is less than or equal to minus VR, the diode is going to be conducts. The diode is going to be conducts. Okay na? So the diode is going to be conducts means you will get the output waveform like this. Okay na? So and the remaining signal, the remaining positive portion is going to the output and only negative half cycle is going to be clipped off here. Okay na? So in reverse, what will happen in shunt clipper? When input voltage is less than or equal to minus VR, the diode is going to be conducts. Okay na? The diode is going to be conducts up to biasing voltage. The voltage is the signal is going to be clipped off. That signal is going to be, the negative half cycle of the waveform is going to be removed. So you will get the output waveform like this. So coming to the biased negative clipper by changing the polarities. That means if you are giving positive half cycle here, if you are giving negative half cycle like this, positive half cycle here, negative half cycle here. So this is the output waveform. So that means what will happen? By applying, depending on the biasing voltage, the signal will be either clipped off positive side or negative side. Okay na? So here we are changing the polarity like this. Here what will happen? What will happen here? The signal will be get like this. Okay na? Only positive half cycle of the signal is going to be clipped off. Okay na? During negative half cycle there is no signal will be. Only at positive half cycle the signal is going to be removed right here. Okay na? So this is the biased clipper, biased negative combinational clipper. Here we are using the two diodes D1 and D2 here. Okay na? So with reference voltage or biasing voltage VR1 here and VR2 here. So this is the input waveform. Dotted lines indicate input waveform and the solid line indicates output waveform. Okay na? So here in combinational clipper, here we are using two diodes. Here what will happen? When we are giving the positive half cycle, what will happen? When input voltage is greater than plus, here it is nothing but positive voltage is connected to the series of the diode, means it is nothing but plus VR1. When input voltage greater than or equal to plus VR1, the diode D1 is going to be conducts. The diode D1 is going to be conducts. So that means the output voltage is going to be conduct up to plus VR1. Okay na? The output is going to, diode D1 conducts means acts as a closed switch. The current is going to flow through the biasing. So the output is going to conduct